my gosh, you're such good footage. I'm a National Geographic person. It's not just Thornberry. No. Look at her. She's walking away. Look at how cute my little baby girl is. With a little pink bow, her pink shirt that she picked up. She picked up her whole outfit, even the bow. She's like, can you put this bow on me? Like, girl, yes, yes, yes. Don't mind this mess, but yes, yes, yes. She's also eating these spicy Cheez-Its. You like spicy? Yeah, you're so crazy. This is what she's eating, hot and spicy. Ooh, I love spicy food, and this is like one of my favorite newest snacks. You have to try it if you love spicy. Aloha Mai Kākou. So today it is Po'aono, which is Saturday, and it is Iune Hivakalua Kumalua, which is June 22nd. I feel like I look so oily. So it's been super freaking hot lately. The weather here, summer is here in summer. Okay, so we had plans that kind of got switched around, falling back into the original plans. I hope I'm making sense. Basically, what we were supposed to do this morning is Darren had a police test to take at Aloha Tower, so that is on the opposite side of the island, or it's just right over the mountain. We woke up at 6. I woke up pretty early because I was so tired last night. I didn't even end the vlog. But basically, we woke up at 6. We decided we're gonna just work out because we haven't worked out in a day or so. So we decided to just work out. I only worked out for 20 minutes, and then I started to clean the house, like sweeping, wiping the floor, literally on my hands and knees, freaking Cinderella over here, wiping everything with Clorox wipes, the counter, clearing things off, throwing things away, putting stuff in the dirty laundry. I was on a mission. Then I decided to bathe because I was like a sweaty mess after working out for 20 minutes and cleaning, and then I started to get ready. But while we were getting ready, we looked at the time and it was already 8:20. Darren needed to be at Aloha Tower at 8:30. Like, I wasn't even done doing my makeup. The kids, Loco didn't even brush his teeth yet. Paulella was pretty much the only one really ready. Lena has one of her best friends over, so they were ready, but I still didn't have my makeup. We would have just made Darren take longer because having to put all the kids in the car, buckle them up, like it would be fast, quick, and easy if you just went in the car and just hit it straight to Aloha Tower. But our original plan was we were all supposed to get ready. We're all supposed to get ready at a certain time. That way we can take Darren to Aloha Tower by 8:30. And then while he does his testing for the police, we would go and get breakfast. I could go stop at somewhere else just to kill time. It would only take like an hour. So honestly, that's not even a long time. And then we'll pick him up and then we'll make our way going to Makana Ali'i, which is in Kapolei on the west side. So that's what we were supposed to do. But since it was like so late, Darren's like quickly trying to leave, and I'm like thinking, he's not gonna make it. I almost was gonna tell him like, you shouldn't go, because the thing is, if you're not in there by 9, they're not gonna let you in. They're not gonna let you in. This happened to him before where he went, they wouldn't let him in. So I got a phone call. It was like from him. I looked at the time, it was 9:02, and I was like, yeah, he didn't make it. And we just were like laughing at the fact that he did this twice already. Snap, snaps. So he is on his way back home. We're already ready to just go, and we're gonna get breakfast and then make our way to Makana Ali'i because we're gonna go watch a movie that we watched already again. Though you already know if you watch the previous vlogs before this. Movie tickets, and we're gonna go watch something, and I'm gonna take the kids to do something fun at Makana Ali'i that I've seen, and it's a little surprise for the vlog, so keep on watching. But yeah, so last night I just wanted to say that to recap last night or yesterday, we were running all over the place yesterday after Paulena's doctor's appointment. We came straight to pick up Paulele, then we got some food, we came home, ate the food, then I ended up editing a video, but I fell asleep and I wanted to leave here at a certain time. I did not do that. I fell asleep. We were late. I still had to go to the mall to go get Paulele some black shorts because she doesn't have any, and that's what they were requesting for all the kids to wear. And then I had to go to Safeway to get some poo-poos because we were supposed to bring poo-poos, and I was totally late for that. And we got there and all the kids were performing already. We were a good 15 minutes late.
Cinnabon, and I want lumpia. Hey, buy lumpia from My Kine. Elisa then. I want. I really want to get the Cinnabons if we're gonna go to.
That's my kumu. This is my slime room. What's the matter?
I need a pink bowl.
These ones are done.
I'm gonna take this one.
Yeah. I'm gonna film the little ones, okay?
I'm right here.
What are you gonna do?
You have to add the whole thing, but slowly.
Okay, where's the instructions? What does it say?
Right there. It says slowly add higher number one value. Wait, like the whole. Oh, inside that one? But little by little.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna film.
Okay.
I was actually gonna do it.
And then put more.
Wow, look at this. My slime. I did.
Mom! Oh shoot, I put it on. What if this is the active one? Oh, slow, yeah. Oh, it's not good.
Wait, are you even doing it?
We have to put this in. Oh, that's the wrong
Hold on, okay, so slowly add fire bottle number one. Wait, look at my little wall start. So this is the blue one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Slimy.
So you want to pour it in?
How do you make it colorful? You can go up,
Okay,
up
mix
there
it up.
instead of color. I'm just gonna make mine.
I think go where? Up to grab the food.
Yeah. Well, yours is all bubbly, but not mine. Mine's
Yeah.
oh, my arms hurt.
Much?
He needs it.
That bottle?
This bottle?
Yeah.
After this one, you can add a color.
So it says you want pink or the entire bottle, and then ask for pink. The more you stir, the less okay, now we're gonna put
Oh, where did you find this person? In the bathroom. What is in the bathroom? Dropped it in the that's try not.
oh sorry baby. Yeah.
No!
Okay.
No! See that you have to make sure it's just a curve.
Good job. Okay, now to spray soda water on your hand.
What?
Soda water here. Spray on your hand.
Now it's okay?
No, on your hand.
So it doesn't stick to your hand.
Yeah, it says remove slime container and place
Oh, so it doesn't stick to your hand. But this is
pick this up. It's still watery.
Well, so the more you... What else does it say? And then for what? Please, well, you want to get your guys' add-ins then before you touch the slime? You want to touch it? Ooh! Maybe keep it.
Mommy, this one.
Did you put soda water on?
Yeah, you only put it right here. You didn't put it on here.
The more you mix, the less messy it is. Do you want to go add it to the decoration? Oh yeah.
See, look at Peloku's. Oh, I think because I mixed his.
Too strong.
Look, if you keep doing that and stick it again, it's gonna. You're actually doing it. Yeah. I think it's. I don't know. Put it to mommy. Wait.
Give mine.
I'll help you guys.
Give me as much as your slime.
I want to be Ohana.
No.
It's coming together. It's coming together.
You guys are winning.
Thank you. It fell and I was like, I can't grab it. Oh, yours is good, Ohana. Alright, pull that away. Messy girls. Are we messy girls, Kapolei? Here, give me all of it. Give me all of it.
Can you're doing it?
Remove that spoon out of the way. Just the spoon. I'm professional. Oh.
Okay, can I try that?
You got more, yeah? Oh yeah, it's way better. Chita.
You have to play with it.
From your hand.
After you play with it.
Okay, now you can grab the most of it and you can get it off of mine. And then slowly get it off of mine. But
But it was so
slime. It was crazy. I was so scared. I was like, did I make a mistake?
Tina, try to get this off me.
Oh my gosh, that was like just
Keep it on this though. Okay, touch it.
Here, don't go anywhere. Kapolei. Because you can't get it yet. You gotta wait for it.
Wait, check out all this one. No, just keep gonna just like pulling it, sticking it, pull. Make it, try to keep it into a ball.
You have to keep massaging it.
Just keep it in a ball, yeah. Venom! Don't touch your shirt though. Fast, you gotta like whack this. Boom, boom.
Yeah.
No, you just like touch it, yeah.
Kapolei.
Okay.
Kapolei.
Oh my gosh, Daddy, why did you
Oh, you got it. Oh, you found Kapolei.
What time is it? What time is it?
If it was 1 hour, they
No, it's good.
So sparkly. We're picking out our add-in.
gold.
Our gold. Ooh, look at these ones. These are shiny.
Yeah, she got those too.
Okay,
I'm gonna get more. Oh, Paleis will be like gelatin. Oh, baby, look at this.
Wait, I don't know. You ask her.
Oh, do you want these in it? Yeah.
She has all the stuff that Daddy got her.
Paleis is gonna get more beads. The more you get.
No, it's you have only one trip. That's why they said fill it up to the top.
Oh,
It's $4. It's $4
I want to
too.
dump it in.
Oh my gosh, I wasn't filming that.
But Lily, you gotta go like this.
I got her a lot of this shit.
So, how did I do it? It's her slime.
Good. They wanted it clear.
Sometimes the older kids, they want it clear because they can see the stuff.
Yeah. We're still at the slime room.
Well, actually, that's as good as it's called the other.
So the prices here range from $15 to $22.
Okay, here, mine. This is mine.
Whoa, you can see her right through it. That's crazy.
I can't even do that. See, look at me. I got beads in here.
You took up beads.
Mom, wait, Mom.
You have so much stuff in it.
Wait, go mine. And then try to hear the noise. And then right when I put it down and I squeeze it.
Oh my gosh, I want yours. I just gotta save it.
Wait, how am I listening to no wonder this whole time?
Wow.
She said take a picture.
Oh, you want me to take a picture?
That's what she was like.
Okay, do it again, one more time.
Oh, she could do it now?
Yeah, if she picks a little bit of it, yeah.
Wait,
1, 2. Hurry up, Floku. 3. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Okay. We're watching Aladdin again for the 3rd time in the 3rd theater.
Just to be clear, this is a one-time arrangement.
promise. So what's first?
Noted in the ultimate tell, slightest.
It's a flip zip.
Riddle. Matcha green tea latte with coconut milk.
Okay, Mom, film me. This is how Palala does her skate. While jumping. She goes like...
She totally
Oh,
does.
I hit my head.
Oi, you okay? I just had a bird doo-doo on me. Doo-doo on my arm. So disgusting. Show me your one, Tita. Ooh. Okay. Daddy grabbing Paulele a pua because she kept saying, I want a pua, I want a pua. Paulele, stop, you freak. Ew, Tita.
But then, you know what? They raise that. You know the men
thanks. Thanks, babe.
Nohea, for you.
For me? For you. Okay, como Kalipa.
You want piggyback?
Yeah.
Ooh, prettier pua. Ooh, nani ko pua.
How you get a pua?
Daddy picked me a pua as well. I got a pua too.
Kaulana nā pua o Hawaii'i Upa ama o te oka aina